use the Irish language here in the Corrib Shopping Centre in many different ways. You can hear it when you come into the actual centre. There's announcements every 15 minutes. You can see it from our signage throughout the actual centre and on our website as well. And we have people speaking it. We've added to our crew of speakers since last year. Shifra from Corrib is one of our main speakers within Corrib store, and along with our existing staff that were here last year as well. So we've added to that. There's a lot of native speakers in Galway, especially out Connemara side and the Knocknacarra side of the actual city. There's a lot of speakers that actually come in. So the Irish language, it does help. So Irish is a big part of our business. It's unique. We're the only ones that probably have it. So why not use it when you have it?